Today I'm taking a look at a new software called Engagi. Now, Engagi is different from other products in a couple of ways. First of all, and probably the most foremost way that it's different, is that Engagi is a Chrome plugin. So you have to use it with the Chrome browser, and it plugs into the Chrome browser, and it changes the way the browser functions. And it actually changes it in a pretty cool way because Engagi does something pretty amazing. But before I show you how it works, what I want to do is explain to you why Engagi does what it does. So one of the main things that we're all trying to get in this business, regardless of what we're selling or what we're doing, is we're trying to get traffic. Now, one of the best ways to get traffic is through the social networks. And a lot of times you see people trying to use the social networks to get traffic. They'll do something like go to Facebook and they'll make a post on Facebook and come back in a day and wonder why nobody liked the post, why nobody followed them, why pretty much nobody even saw the post. Now, in order to understand why nobody sees these posts, you have to understand how the social networks work. There are millions of posts being made to social networks. So let's use Facebook for this example, but it works for all social networks. There are millions of posts being made to Facebook every single day. Facebook could only show a limited number of those posts to each person. Facebook can't show a million posts to you, for example. It can only show a limited number of posts to you. So what Facebook does is it looks for social cues. Social cues are things like engagement, comments, likes. Those are social cues that tells Facebook that it should show that post to other people. Beyond that, when you comment on other people's posts, you're getting yourself attention. So if I comment on somebody else's post, that means that person is more likely to see my posts. You got to remember, so the social part of social networks, it's about communicating. It's about interacting. It's not just about spamming posts, hoping that Facebook shows it to people because Facebook's not going to show it to people. You have to engage, you have to communicate, you have to interact, you have to be social. The problem with being social, though, is it takes a bunch of time. I mean, let's be honest. If I'm going to go over here to Facebook and I'm going to start commenting on other people's posts and engaging with their posts and going to Facebook groups and commenting on the posts and engaging with them, being social, doing the things that's going to tell Facebook that they should show my stuff to other people as well. It's kind of going to be a time-consuming thing. As a matter of fact, it's a full-time job in some companies. There are companies, mostly larger companies, but there are companies that have people whose full-time position is to interact, to be social on the social networks. And again, we're using Facebook in this example, but it's true for all social networks. Now, to try to get around that, people, they do what's called the copy and paste spam. So what they'll do is they'll go ahead and they'll open Notepad and they'll type in something like, hey, that's awesome. And then they'll just copy and paste it as a comment on all these posts. And hopefully that would be signaling to the social networks that they're engaging and, people should see my stuff now. And it doesn't work. I mean, it's stupid. And first of all, it makes you look like an idiot because you're just copy and pasting the same thing over and over again. And second of all, the social networks are not dumb. I mean, these are billion-dollar companies with some of the best developers in the world. They can detect that kind of comment spam, and they can say, hey, look, you're going to get banned, you're going to get muted. You might even get your account shut off if you do it too much. So don't do that. But what you do need to do is engage with these posts. Now, Cyril Gupta created Engagi, the Chrome plugin, to get around that. You see, now we have something that we never had before. Now we have artificial intelligence, and artificial intelligence can comment on posts for you. It can engage with people for you very quickly, very easily. You don't even need to read the post yourself, and you can still post a well thought out, engaging comment, which gets you attention, which signals social signals to the networks, which means more people are going to see your things. Let me go ahead and show you how it works. Okay, so I have the Engagi extension into my Chrome here. I'm going to go ahead. I'm on the JVzoo Facebook group, and you can see there's some posts here by JVzoo. I'm going to go ahead and comment on these posts. Now, normally what I would have to do is actually read the entire post, go through it, understand it, and then try to post a well thought out comment. But I'm going to use the Engagi plugin to make it really easy. So you might notice something. It's probably a little bit small on the video here, but here where the comment box is, there's a little button that was been added. So this little colored button here has actually been added by the Engagi plugin. That's actually the Engagi plugin logo icon. So now what I can do is go ahead and click on it. Now the AI just read the post for me. So now it knows everything about the post. I don't even need to read it myself. I can go ahead and select the kind of post that I want, but I'm just going to go ahead and keep it at the defaults, agree, and I'm going to do a small response, and I'm just going to let it comment for me. I'll click on generate. I'll copy it, close that up, and I'll paste it in there. And there you go. I just commented on that post. I just engaged with this network. I'm going to go ahead and do another one. I'm not even going to read the post. There's no sense in me reading the post. I don't have to read the post. There's absolutely no need because I have the Engagi plugin and it will read it for me. I'll go ahead and copy it. I'm sorry. I'll go ahead and click the Engagi icon. I'll click on generate. Go ahead and I will copy this right now. Close that up. And I'm going to paste it right in there. Boom. And there we go. I just commented on another post. Let's do some more. All right. We got another one here. Let's mix it up a little bit. Let's get freaky with it and change some settings here. I'll go ahead and I'm going to click on the Engagi icon here. It's hidden behind my little face. Let me move my face up. I'm going to go ahead and click on the Engagi icon. This time I'm going to say thank you. And I'm going to make it a medium length. And I'm going to go ahead and click on generate. Now I'm going to copy this, close this back up, and I'm going to paste it in there. That's it. Right there. I am engaging with this without even needing to read the post. I'm posting intelligent comments, well thought out comments, grammatically correct comments, good comments that make it look like they're from me, but I don't even have to read the post. I don't have to waste my time. All I really want to do is get those social signals. Now, I just did 3 in like, I don't know, less than a minute. But if I wanted to go ahead in here and spend maybe 20 minutes, I can do all kinds of engaging posts all over the place. Get my name all over the place. Do it on multiple Facebook groups, multiple different social networks, because Engagi works with more than just Facebook. I'm just using Facebook as an example. Engagi now allows you to get the social signals on the social networks that are going to get you the attention that you deserve without needing to resort to that stupid copy and pasting the same message a million times all over that doesn't actually work. This is something that can actually work and get you the traffic and the attention on the social networks that you desperately need. Actually, I want to show you guys something. I was just getting ready to stop this video. I was getting ready to stop it. And something just happened. It popped up. You can't see it. It was outside the window, but I'm going to go ahead and click on this. Right there. Laura Castleman reacted to the comment that I made with Engagi. She thinks it's really me. It's not. I didn't even read the post. I don't even know what the hell she's talking about. I don't even know what the original post was talking about. But I used Engagi to post a thankful comment. You just saw me do it. And Laura Castleman, the owner of JVzoo, the CEO of JVzoo, I should say, just thanked me for the comment. That's a big signal to Facebook now that people should see my stuff. My stuff is interesting. I went to the JVzoo Facebook group. I made a comment. The CEO of JVzoo is thanking me. The person running the group is thanking me. That's telling Facebook that people like my stuff. More people should see my stuff. That is amazing how quickly that just happened. And I spent, what, a minute on it with using Engagi.